Have you ever looked at an old shirt, a pair of worn-out jeans, or a dress tucked away in the back of your closet and thought, I wish I could do something fun with this instead of getting rid of it? If you've ever wanted to breathe new life into clothes you already own, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're diving into a collection of incredibly creative clothing makeover ideas that prove you don't need a huge budget or a professional fashion background to create something beautiful. I spent time browsing Pinterest and found some truly inspiring projects that range from quick and easy transformations to more detailed designs that are sure to get your imagination working overtime. Whether you love sewing, crafting, upcycling, or simply enjoy seeing what creative people come up with, I think you're going to find plenty of inspiration in today's video. One of the things I love most about upcycling is that every project tells a story. Instead of tossing something into a donation bin or the trash, you get the chance to turn it into something that feels personal, unique, and completely your own. Sometimes all it takes is moving a pocket, adding fabric, changing a neckline, mixing two garments together, or adding colorful details to create something that looks like it came from a boutique instead of the back of a closet. As always, I'll have a link to my Pinterest board down in the description so you can save any of these ideas that catch your eye. While you're watching, I'd love for you to vote for your favorite project by leaving its number in the comments. If one design gets enough votes, around 100 or more, I just might recreate it here on the channel and show you exactly how I would make it from start to finish with my own creative twist. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, open up your imagination, and let's explore some amazing clothing upcycling ideas that might just inspire your next favorite project. It all started with a beautiful vintage embroidered table runner I found at a thrift store. The moment I saw it, I knew it deserved a second life, but not sitting in a drawer or spread across the table. The embroidery was so detailed and colorful that I immediately pictured it becoming the centerpiece of a denim jacket, turning something ordinary into something that looked completely one of a kind. There was only one problem. There wasn't another piece like it anywhere. If I made a mistake, there would be no running back to the store for more fabric and no way to replace it. Even knowing that, I carefully measured everything, pinned the design in place, and finally picked up my scissors. My heart was racing because with every cut there was no going back. At first, everything seemed to be going perfectly, and I started imagining how amazing the finished jacket was going to look. But then I held up the embroidered piece against the jacket and my stomach dropped. Somehow, in the middle of cutting, I had turned the entire centerpiece the wrong direction. The flowers that were supposed to climb gracefully across the front were now facing sideways, and the design I'd been so excited about suddenly looked completely wrong. I just stood there, staring at it, wondering if I had ruined the only chance I'd ever have to use such a beautiful piece. For a moment, I honestly considered putting everything back into the sewing basket and pretending I'd never started the project. If you've ever had one of those crafting moments where your heart sinks because you think you've just ruined something special, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel, because you're definitely among friends here. I wasn't ready to give up yet, but I also had no idea how I was going to rescue this project. I took a deep breath, laid everything back out on the table, and forced myself to stop looking at the mistake and start looking for possibilities instead. As I slowly turned the embroidered piece in different directions, something unexpected caught my eye. Even though the flowers no longer worked as a single centerpiece, the embroidery had enough beautiful details that I could separate the design into smaller sections without losing its charm. Suddenly, the project wasn't ruined at all. It was simply asking for a different plan. Instead of one large panel across the back of the jacket, I carefully divided the embroidery into matching pieces and arranged them so they flowed naturally from the shoulder across the front and onto the sleeve. What had started as a mistake actually gave the jacket more balance, more movement, and a much more custom look than my original design ever would have. By the time I finished sewing everything in place, I found myself smiling at something I never thought I'd say. I was actually grateful I'd made the mistake. It reminded me that some of the best creative ideas don't happen because everything goes perfectly. They happen because we're willing to keep experimenting when things don't. If you're looking for fabric or clothing to use in your own upcycling projects, you'll find a link to my vintage shop in the description. I have lots of fabric available, along with clothing that's perfect for creative makeovers. You'll also find links to my upcycling tutorials if you'd like to learn some of the techniques I use, along with playlists filled with even more clothing transformation ideas to keep your creativity flowing. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me, and before you go, don't forget to tell me which idea from today's video was your favorite by leaving its number in the comments. There is a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I'll see you there.